Good morning, chat. Alrighty, let's go. What do we got? After this strong push up, my obvious targets would be on the 15-minute, the highs up here. This can act as a rejection wick, and we soup these lows already, so we don't have to come back down. If we want to go back up, we'll be going back up right away. And these highs look clean up here to go grab. If everyone's listening, I'm staying on my hands until 9:45. I don't take any trades before 9:45. That you could get chopped up like this. People probably thought we were going to be continuing going bearish and re-going longs. I don't think it's good to touch the market until at least 9:40. I keep it at 9:45. Let the first 15 minutes play out. Who joined? Is it David or Mr. Mike?
Dang it.
Oh, we got another full house. Mike, I don't hear you. I only hear Dave. There you
I'm
go.
here. I'm just trying to get in your sound. I forgot how I did that yesterday. Is this it? Give me a shot. Oh, I heard you there.
Shot through the house.
Oh, we're singing again?
No more singing.
Okay, so you're in the right place. Let me pull in my camera. I think we're all good to go.
Good morning, TA.
Dang, you loud. Who's loud? No, we're all good. DNA in the house. We're all good here. I'm not even redlining. Maybe they're loud? We'll get it fixed.
I'm not loud. My mic shouldn't be loud
No.
either.
Yeah, you're not.
I'm not redlining even close.
Nope, not
I'm
over
barely
here
hitting the
either.
yellow on my OBS.
Barely. I'm gonna make myself louder. I remember the twins from the other day. That sounds like a good story. You want to share it? Mike is soft-spoken. Really? I was watching DNA trading. Yeah, let me give you guys a link to the channel. Hit a like. Whoa! No way.
Well, now we know who's loud.
71. Congratulations.
You're gonna
Yeah, I'm
congratulate
working
me
on it.
at 72 also?
Yeah, I will. What are you gonna do about it? I'm working on it, JC.
What is she complaining about? What's going on?
No cam.
Martin, today's the day. On a
Tonight is the
Friday.
night.
I don't know. We need 8 winning trades. I don't think I've ever had a day with eight trades. The max I'll ever get is like 4 or 5. But Martin, what should it count as? If I have a 3-to-1 trade and I hit it, should that win streak be 3 or 1? Because technically we're counting win streaks, not R, so it should technically count for 1. So it's impossible I catch up. Friday should be double points. Friday should be double points.
Double points. Alex is coming in too loud. Really?
If I whisper, is it better?
I don't know.
Do you
Nice move.
prefer I whisper, chat? ASMR? Yeah.
ASMR. Oh, yeah, it's true. You are coming in. You're coming in super loud and clear.
Are you there, Alex? Yes.
Super loud and clear.
Are you there, Alex? Yes. I don't know why I'm coming in loud. I'll
Well,
talk
it's okay.
lower.
No, I adjust it.
You adjusted it! So
There we
hard to
go.
play with your audio.
Yeah, it is. It's a pain in the ass. Okay, 1905, Angry Ace.
Who's watching the stream on open mic? I hear it.
Me, me, me. I'm doing sound check. Sound check. It's off. It's off. Don't give me a hard time.
I'm just asking. I'm not giving you a hard time.
Oh, okay. I thought you were giving me a
In
hard
case you
time.
forgot.
Yeah, no, I thought you were giving me a hard time. Nice one, Mike. I still have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We can use a multiplier. Yeah, we can use a multiplier. In the ATR, what time do you use? Jose Gonzalez, Mercury. I use 6. I like it to be very responsive.
Good morning, Kathleen. Thank you, Martin.
I
Smash the
want to
like
know.
button, boys.
Smash it, man. Go over to DNA Trading, guys. Right there. Hit the like, sub. Give them some love. New channel, new ideas. You can learn a lot from them. I'm still learning from them. There we go. We're almost there. Push. Are we going to cross 2? Ah,
Hi, Melody. Apparently that brings you luck.
hello, Melody.
Who is that?
Melody. I don't know. She hangs out, but
What's the name of Martin's boat?
if you say hello, Melody, it brings you luck.
Omnius' girlfriend. That's crazy.
Hmm. Don't tell his wife. Nah, it's a girl that's in the chat in the community.
I thought it was gonna be the name of Martin's boat.
So yeah, one time for extra balls for the giveaway games, I said if you type in "Hello Melody," because she comes in around the same time all the time. So I was gonna say that'd be funny if she comes in and a whole bunch of people already said "Hello Melody," and yeah, we did that, and you know I like to give away extra entries into the giveaway games. So Martin gets balls for saying "Hello Melody." AD gets balls for saying, um,
Looks like we're getting one of those days again.
yeah,
Shoot down, shoot up, shoot down, shoot up, shoot down.
pretty wiki on the 5 minute there.
Yeah.
On ES, sorry, on NQ, not so much on ES, but definitely on NQ. Wow, I think I had one of my best days yesterday in hold on. I think I had one of my best days yesterday in the market ever.
Oh yeah.
Yep. I continued even trading after we closed up shop on the power hour.
Send me a picture. Show me how big it is.
Uh, Camera's broken at the moment.
What am I missing here?
Dad said he had his biggest day in trading yesterday. One of the biggest days.
Yeah, it was a good day. Everything was working.
Yeah, Martin, I agree. What the hell are we doing in Q?
Yeah, that's pretty sad.
Elmo, Simo said hi. I said hi too. Am I teaching how to program an angry bot? Listen, Kurt, a lot of people want the bot. I can't give it away because I'm going to be um, blasted with a whole bunch of people saying, what is this doing? What is that doing? It's not working. And a whole bunch of complaints. So I don't want to deal with that. So I decided that the best way is for people who are dedicated and want to learn how to code it. And they'll learn how everything works and what all the input parameters do. I won't have to provide support. So yes, we will be programming angry bots, angry ace bots in there, probably around lesson 4 or lesson 5. That way everyone is responsible for their own strategy. They can name it personally. You know, if they're stuck on something, they can ask me questions, but you're all responsible for your own actions that way.
Yeah, Martin, we found the money glitch. In the morning you copy Mike, and in the afternoon you fade Mike.
No, but
Once 2 o'clock opens, you fade Mike.
funny. Funny, funny, funny. Well, Kurt, then you don't need me. Number one. Number two, we're not even doing programming, eh? We're doing it in Strategy Builder. So, you know, it's kind of those things where you set conditions. If the low is below the moving average and then the low is above the moving average, we're assuming we have a crossover, a change in bias. We'll use a Boolean switch to turn the bullish bias on and turn the bearish bias off. And then we'll look for a trade, you know, kind of simple things like that. And then we press compile. So it's a no coding, necessary kind of thing. No coding experience needed, no coding knowledge needed. You don't have to be a programmer. So everyone can participate.
We're not opening much, huh? Look at that range.
Mm-mm.
951, we barely moved. Short bias, Alex. Well, for now we're making higher lows. On the higher time frames, I am. Let's go check. Let's go confirm. What do we have here?
Tapping into previous day's low from underneath.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't know. We have some nice highs to go grab, and we kind of didn't never close below these lows, and this big wick could count as a rejection wick. What do we have on the hourly? David, are you more bullish or more bearish right now?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, me too. I don't really have a clear bias on today. We already took out these lows. We're rejecting off a big 4-hour bearish right now.
We didn't take out Asia's low on anything.
Yeah,
No,
the midday lows.
We're just building liquidity on both sides right now. Just gotta pick a side. I just don't know which for now.
Well,
me neither.
PM trade is long at. Let me bring it over. Anybody interested? The PM trade is long at 319 and it is targeting 461 approximately. And the PM is on the PM trade is on a hot streak. PM stands for pre-market. It's a pre-market fade trade.
Not post-maritime.
Yeah, not postmortem. Postmortem.
What does PM even stand for?
The real PM, eh? Yeah, I have no
Yeah.
idea. Order filled,
Ah, it's
order filled.
post-meridium.
Bro, really?
Yeah.
Guys, numbers look good, but when it goes into a drawdown, it also gives up like $1,000 or $1,200, eh? At a 3 lot. So if you're doing a 1 lot, that's probably about $400 or $500. I guess that's probably the most stable way. You know what? In the $100 club, I might use. No, that wouldn't be good. Because what if I start on a drawdown and I can't set a PDLL that high? Yeah, okay, no, I take it back. I was thinking I would use it for the $100 club. I think it's a great tool to use to pass accounts. But once you're on a sim funded, I think even a 1 lot might even be too aggressive for a 50K account.
A one lot what? Micro?
1 micro, yeah.
Would be aggressive. Oh, you're talking about for your strategy.
Yeah,
Ah,
you're
okay,
gonna have
okay.
you'll still have like $600, $700 swings. That's quite a bit. I mean, if you're willing to accept it, it's okay. And of course, you could filter it because once the market's open, it takes a trade about on average once every 6-7 minutes. But you can apply a filter. Okay, we get a red candle here. Good filter, Martin. That was the hello, Skelly.
Yeah, more than thousands of accounts.
Thousands,
Thousands, he wrote. Thousands.
thousands.
This is Chop City.
Yep, it really is.
Well, it's quite a bit of chop. We don't even have news, no?
No.
It's gonna drop
I figured
again.
we'd have news at 10 a.m. for it to consolidate like this. But we actually have nothing.
Now we need fake news.
The wedge is getting sharper. Wow, look at CVD. Whoo! Is CVD projecting which way we're going to break? Guys?
I know, you tell me, look at your chart. Boom.
We're getting up to the target
And
of
back down.
450
No, I don't think
board.
so.
Wow. Am I bringing in the data wrong?
We have nice highs to go grab at 514, equal highs, another high at 558, another high at 62. There's some clean highs to still go grab.
Oh, look at that. Nice moves. We got the VWAP. Yep, we can stall out there on the VWAP. For you guys hanging around, go check out DNA Trading. That's who I'm talking with right now. Go check out their charts. And oh, you guys don't have the 1 minute ups. I even put it up there. There's the fade trade with the target. We're
Who's you
so
guys?
close. You guys. Oh,
I
you
don't
guys
I
are.
don't have the 1 minute chart up.
No. I just put it up.
I don't have the one, bro. I spend 99% of my time on the 1 minute. You
Yeah. I just
guys
put it.
don't have the 1 minute chart up. That's hilarious.
No, you got. Okay, sorry. Let me rephrase that so it's clear. You guys don't see the 1 minute chart on my stream. You see the 1,000. You guys, not you guys, my community. They see the 1,000 volume. So I just put the 1 minute. They can see how close we are to target.
Oh.
Well, anyways, I would get out here anyways because it was like a 100-point target. That's enough for me. 319 all the way to 457, almost 150 points.
Well, you
I
gotta
wouldn't.
leave it,
Are you
because that means your
kidding me?
stop was pretty big
Uh,
too.
150 points. It's 1 for 1. I wouldn't quibble for 4 points. No way.
Oh, for 4 points? No, I thought you were still missing.
Yeah. No. It was pretty close. 1,000 ticks.
There you go, pretty close.
Yeah. Boom. Went through it. Yeah, that's one of the worst things. My worst habit. I give up. I think I give up a little bit on every trade. Lance B talked about that. He said that
Who's that? Is that your guy from
SMB.
S&P Capital?
He ran the numbers, but you know it anyways. It's an
Even them too, they're
obvious.
so big on selling, but they come out videos just to try to recruit. I don't like it.
Now, yeah, their early stuff is much better. You go back to their first couple of years.
I was curious one day and I just clicked on one of their links to look at our top 4 or 5 scalping strategies. It's when you're telling me to get involved in scalping, and let me go listen to their video. It was
Yeah,
a 2 hour seminar, and for an hour and 20 minutes, it's them trying to sell you.
yeah. No,
Like,
read the
what?
play. Yeah. No, you got to read the playbook and you got to go over their old stuff.
Anyways, I don't need it. I was just curious to see what type of information or education they provided, you know?
Yeah, I think it's
And it
very
was like those
valuable.
old commercials. If you are smart and you know
Uh,
it's your time to make it in life, you should buy this course. Like, what?
uh,
Fuck you, man. I didn't sign up to a sales call. I signed up for an education call.
it's not $49.95. It's not $39.95.
It's $29.95 just for you today.
But wait,
Yeah, exactly. It
if
was
you
one of those
order
calls.
now, we'll throw in.
I remember even what they threw in. We'll throw in our weekly meetings for free.
Yeah. Was it the weekly or the morning meetings? The morning meetings with Steve Spencer,
I
Mike.
think it was the afternoon ones. When they go
I'm
over
not
the
a
day.
fan of. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Tim Sykes. I got nothing to say about him. I'm not saying he's good. I'm not saying he's bad. but they're
Anyways,
not
whatever it is,
funny.
I didn't like it.
Yeah, like I said, go to their videos, sort by oldest, watch the first 1 or 2 years of videos. That's their best content. That's when they really taught good stuff. They were putting out the good stuff then. And read the playbook. I recommend that to everybody. Teach you how to put together a process. Did I accidentally update NinjaTrader on my laptop? Is that why it's causing me stress?
Come on, HQ, push up.
Push
I want to
up.
see a large. Yeah, I want to see a large move away from 930 so I could revert back.
29,260 to 29,500's not enough.
No,
Let me look at the 5-minute.
too little time. And I wanted to take the highs from the morning around 4 a.m.
Yeah, I'm looking at those. I'm looking at those. That's these highs over here. 555s. We'll watch, see if what ES does also. Did the new update fix the problem? No, it didn't. I just tried. I did the simplest thing, and it didn't take the other side. As soon as I put in the opposite side scaly, it not able to compile. So I don't know what I'm going to do for tomorrow's class. Pretty shitty if you can't do both sides. I mean, look, if I
What do you
teach you
mean
guys
by both sides?
well, if I say just a simple thing, if you close above the moving average, bullish bias equals true, bearish bias equals false, and if you close below the moving average, bearish bias equals true, bullish bias equals false, and then you tell it when the bullish bias is true, paint the background blue. Press compile, it'll do it. But now if you add in the condition, if the bearish bias is true, paint the background red, it won't compile.
Okay, I get it.
Anything you do that covers both sides. So it's a little bit of a problem. Well, did you say you don't get it?
No, I get it.
Yeah. Well, it's like saying if you open above the moving average, if you close above the moving average, buy, compile, no problem. If you close below the moving average, sell in the same thing, can
Mm.
compile. But remove either one. Remove the buy and keep the sell in, it'll
Okay,
compile.
okay.
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah. You're like Brandon now going on tangents. When your computer, your CPU, motherboard, iQ CPU 1904, clock speeds of 5,000 megahertz. Tell him, Brandon, shut up. Build my fucking computer.
I wanted to look at it this week, but didn't have time.
How's your computer? You're loving it?
Yep.
For sure.
It's blazing fast.
Yeah.
I'm smelling bacon.
You're smelling bacon? I'm smelling bacon and cotton candy.
What?
Bacon and cotton candy.
Yeah, I
I'm
don't know this.
smelling burnt toast.
No, it smells nice in here. I don't know what it is.
I smell my perfume still from yesterday. My cologne.
What a mix.
I don't know how my cologne is still so strong.
Where you think you're about to be at? I don't understand the question. I'll check it out to see, but I need to hear what you are trying to do again.
Couldn't you just make equal
code
highs? Oh no,
something.
stop right before it.
Try to see. No, yeah, but I don't need you to code something, Creative Wealth. I need to fix it so that my computer and my version of NinjaTrader is doing it. I feel like Microsoft giving a class and things aren't working. Makes me look stupid. But it's not my fault.
You're not my dad.
You're not my dad.
You're not my dad.
Thank God. Some things in coding upgrade and change. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. I'm sorry. TradingView is bad about that with all their versions. Oh, yeah. I don't know Pine Script. So when I have an idea and I want to do it in TradingView, I just give it to GPT. I write a nice prompt. Took a band bounce trade. Used Martin's technique. I didn't get in on the touch of the band. I actually waited for the green candle. The idea is a partial on the 1-to-1. Good enough. It's always good enough. Let's get it to 250 level. Martin. I give Martin so much credit for everything, eh? Sell stop.
Give credit where credit is due.
That's it. Take it out. Leave it. Come on. Another. That was fun. Don't mind me. I tend to help others. No, it's good. Ah, that's the key, Martin. Why would I listen? I listen, but I don't copy. I make everything my own. Meaning I find ways to, I mean, I like this filter. There's nothing I change to it, but, it has to agree with the way I like to trade. And it's very similar to Renko, basically. Waiting for the confirmation bar. It made really good sense.
All right, we got a large move now.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's true. It took out both ES and NQ. Guys, it's a little more exciting on DNA trading than it is here. I'm really not
You're
going to be taking too many trades.
taking more than I am.
Let's see if we get another one. Oh, we stopped that already. That was quick. That was quick. Oh, I heard order filled.
Not me.
Is that me?
No, yeah, not me, so it's you.
Oh, it's the bot.
Bro, questioning who ordered filled is funny.
Is it me? Is it you? Everyone's scrambling, checking. I like this. We got the bearish candle. break the low. Although it'd be better if those were two bullish candles there. If anybody is interested, what was the best day for Angry Ace? $7,000. Good morning, everyone, from Bangs the Banger. Hey, Bangs. What was the worst day? I think 25 from that minus 2,500 at 3 lots. Yeah, I don't know how 3 lots gets to those numbers. Don't ask me. It just does. Like I said, you can watch it. You can just wait for the stream to end. Go back to the beginning of the stream and, I don't know, move ahead 10 minutes by 10 minutes and you can see how it progresses. It finds a way. That was an excellent trade with low risk.
Oh, I woke up so many times over the night. I keep falling asleep on my side with my arm under. And it's like my
Yeah.
brain keeps waking me up and saying, "Bro, you got to get your arm out of there." And I have no more blood flow to my arm. It's like my arm's dead. Keeps happening.
Someone writes in the chat, I keep hearing Apex is terribly slow on payouts. Well, it depends on what you mean by terribly slow. I'd say 5 business days is standard when I put in a payout request.
Did you see how fast they were with Dodgy?
No.
Dodgy's like, I'm gonna request a payout from Apex, see how long it takes. Let me
Yeah.
see if they could pay me out before I finish this golf hole. He took like 5 minutes and they already paid him out.
Yeah, that's impressive. I had one that was approved in like an hour and a half. And then the next day, they took the money out of the account and processed the payout. But then again, I'm using Plane. I forgot what the name of Plane was. It wasn't Rise, it was, or Wise. Anyways, it's a payment system. I'm using Plane with them. And it still takes 2 or 3 days for Plane to send. Plane gets it, and then they say, okay, we got it. Now we're going to send it to your bank. And that takes 2, 3 days. It's like a wire transfer.
Can't set up e-transfer.
And it's the same, I don't know, but it's the same with everybody, guys. I don't have anybody that, maybe because I'm in Canada, I don't have anybody that magically does it quicker. If anybody wants to know why I got out of that trade, it's because we got stopped out. So I got out at a profit. Now I'm back in again. Because we have a new entry. Turned red, turned green. Stopped out, turned green. Yes, there's method to the madness. Adding it to 50%. Why do I do that? Because now I'm risking half an hour on that piece. And if I get to just 1-to-1, that's 1, 2, 3. It becomes a 3-to-1. That's a 3-to-1 trade on that piece. It is a mathematically phenomenal trade. I can get out at 1-to-1 right there and improve my price. Gives me a lot of options. I don't like what CVD is doing. So in the next pop up,
What does CV do? You said you like or you don't like?
don't like it's coming down.
Mm.
It's not looking good for my long. I got out of my extra piece, improved my price. And I'll put a stop right there. And now I can remove the fibs. And so you see how phenomenal that trade is mathematically?
Mike is singing right now. Do you see
Oh,
what I see?
very nice. CVDs are going up, so we should take profit on this one. We should hit profit. We should get our profit on this one. Ah, so close. Yeah, lucky JC. Really? You're going to go that close and then you're going to stop me out, Pecker? Yeah, I took that one right in the kisser.
Right in the kisser.
Skeletor, sometimes you're going to get a great entry, not waiting for the confirmation candle. Yeah. Well, you get a better price, but yeah, now we're short. Look how quickly we flip. We flip the script. Are you using Renko? Not right now, but I primarily trade off Renko. Almost all the green you see there is from Renko trading. Right now I'm using the volume. I mean, I hit all my targets. I got those 3 Apex accounts passed. So I'm not going to be doing much today because I don't want to do damage. I will take follow through or continuation trades, but being right and getting stopped out.
I'm gonna repeat it again, huh? Don't forget your
Yeah,
lucky number, you.
I have a lucky number.
Yeah.
2, 3.
I don't know why you're joking around with it, bro. It's not even close to being funny.
I don't know what you're talking about. You talking 6?
Yeah, don't forget.
Ah, no, of course not. 6 is my lucky number. Look at all the blue we have on the board there. Nightbot, Skeletor, Martin. Where are the other 2 guys? Did they run away? I forgot their names. That's pretty bad. Wild Deuces and Poppy. Was
Hey, you guys didn't tell me you guys hear me chewing my gum. I'm gonna spit out my gum.
not paying attention.
That must have
I'm
been
looking
annoying.
for. I don't hear nothing.
What's up?
Missed the entry over here for the short. It's not like it's a big deal. There's the 1-to-1. And we never went for the re-entry at the 50%. Excuse me. Oh, maybe we'll get a second one. We will watch and we will see. We need a bearish candle. So what are you guys looking for now that we took out the 4 o'clock highs?
David?
I'm looking for a reversion back down. But it's not
What a
working. What
candle.
the hell did Trump tweet?
That's a 130 point candle.
Yeah, that's insane.
Is it really?
I hope nobody was in shorts, or if they were in shorts, they had time to put their stop. This is how people get wiped in accounts.
Yeah. Skelly, I don't use it as an indicator. I just use it as a measuring tool. You know, just to get my see where my 1-to-1s are, see where my 50% is, if I want to add. That's all. I don't use it in a way that's like an indicator. If CVD can push higher, which it, no, it just turned red. I don't like it. I'm getting out. If I can. Yeah, CVD's going down.
There's a new saying in trading when you're down in the day. It's get even or get even worse.
I like it.
Get even or
Get
get it.
even or get even worse. Whoa, you guys are a tough crowd, man.
Get even or get even worse.
Did you at least get me to 100 likes?
You get 100 likes? Lucky you, I get like 8.
Hmm. I don't know. I'm gonna get him. I'm looking. Lazy crowd. No one's 84. Not gonna get it today. Come on, guys. Hey, tell me what you think of this new game. Let me just put it up quick. Let me put it up quick. Oh, you know what? I might not be able to. No, hold on. I can't put it up yet. But let me tell you what it is. It's a puzzle game. You guys got to solve the. Now you guys are involved. Really. Forget the joystick and use your arrow button.
Wow, that
It's like,
joystick shit was real?
yeah,
What do you mean it was real? You had my name in the game, I never had to use a joystick.
you don't have to, but you can, kind of coax the ball along.
What?
There's still a lot of physics in the game that.
I don't even know if you're just fucking with me again.
Yeah, I'm bugging you. But with all that being said, it's kind of like a Wheel of Fortune game. There's going to be a puzzle, and you guys have to type in the letters, and the one who gets the last letter wins. So,
Yeah, no, Martin, don't worry. For sure,
I'm
for
not.
sure.
There's no randomness. There's no nothing. It's the one who gets the last letter. You're going to be typing the letters in the chat, and it's not going to look. Let's say Trading Ever After types in a letter, and it's processing the letter and turning the tiles over. The other people who are typing in letters, it's not looking at those. After it's finished processing what Trading Ever After, it says, okay, now I'll look at the next person who gives me the letter. So you guys have to keep typing because you don't know when it's going to,
Yeah, Martin,
if
but
there's.
there's a couple things that you're not keeping into account. The fact that because Mike has a lot more followers and subscribers and he's telling you guys to come to my channel, that's where I get my likes from.
No, come on. Don't put people like you.
I didn't say people don't like me. I'm saying why the boost and like compared to how you started and I started, why I get like why right now I have more views in a normal opening channel and more likes than a random new
Yeah,
channel is because of that.
yeah.
Yeah, it takes a lot of time for sure.
Guys, I posted the link again. Go check out DNA Trading. Stop hanging out over here. It's a better channel. They're better looking than me. And they
Alex,
have
did you watch the Japan-Sweden game?
Yeah, 1-1. I watched it.
You watched it all? How
dancing
was it?
girls.
Great goal from Japan, but bro, amazing touch and finish from Sweden too. It ended 1-1. It was a good game. But did you see who Japan's playing now in the round of 32, bro?
No.
Bro, we're
Oh,
playing
Brazil.
on Monday. Monday, Japan's playing Brazil. Whew. Netherlands playing Morocco too. It's gonna be a good game. I'm telling you honestly, telling people to leave the channel.
Bro, I was trying to watch the game, but my phone wasn't loading it well. I was really hoping Japan would win.
Spain and Uruguay will define who plays Argentina. Wow. France is playing Norway too. That's gonna be insane.
Oh, wait. Yeah, didn't you say France is playing?
Yeah, France is gonna play Norway. I don't know if it's today. I can never keep up. There's so many games a day.
Mm.
Ecuador beat Germany yesterday. Wow. Yeah, look, he wrote it. Yeah, the most beautiful thing yesterday was Ecuador beating Germany. Yeah, that was crazy. 2-1 is insane. Especially after Germany scored in the first 2 minutes. Yeah, so we got France and Norway today at 3. Uruguay and Spain today at 8. That's pretty much it, what I'm interested in today.
We got 2 from you.
What
We got 1 each. You can't give us 2.
are you talking about?
Hold on. I got a trade here. Uh, Creative Wealth said we
Canada's playing
both.
versus South Africa Sunday at
Yeah, I
3.
wasn't talking. Canada's playing against.
Yeah, I know you're talking, but you talk like 89% of the time, so sometimes I permit myself to interrupt you. Because sometimes I
Sure.
want to say something and I'm waiting for like 4 minutes just to open my
I
mouth.
know.
Okay, go ahead, Mike.
Oh, no, that's it. I was just saying I don't remember.
You
You're gonna
lucky
get me.
bastards. Martin, I keep telling you, I don't even want Canada to win. I want Japan. I'm not a lucky bastard. We have to play Brazil
Third
now in the
time's the
round of
charm.
32 on Monday. And at 1 o'clock, I'm supposed to be on my charts at 1 o'clock. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to have to try to find a way to watch the game on my phone.
Third time's the charm.
And we got an important game tomorrow for Portugal, Colombia at 7:30 p.m.
Hey, turkey jerky. Oh man. Baby.
Yeah, Skeletor, it's going to be a big game because if Portugal, I think whoever finishes second is going to have a hard way to the final. I think they're going to have to end up playing Spain or Spain, France, and somebody else. I'm not sure. It's going to be a big fight for first.
Well, my brain is drawing a blank. I wanted to do something and I didn't do it right away, and my brain is drawing a blank. Okay. C'est la vie. I find the data is coming in odd
The
on
data or the
all my
data?
the data on all my
What's the real
computers
way
and
to say it in English?
data. I don't know. I think tomato, whatever. But on all my platforms, on all my computers, it's working weird. It's, I wouldn't say it's stuttering. Either there's too much coming in or they're throttling it to make it more difficult to trade. Omnius did a test with his live Columbia where I live. Take wow. Columbia moves ahead in points. Omnius did a test on his live account to see on his personal account. No delays, no nothing. Smooth as butter. All the time. And I said, yeah, remember when we were at Day Trade the World? You take a trade, you don't even lift your mouse button up, you're in already. And here on some of them, you click, and you got to go 1, 2, and then you find out you're in the trade. Okay, I don't know if this doesn't work. That's weird. Uh, Always computer problems, eh? Okay,
Oh, I
we'll
muted. I
load.
forgot I was muted. The phone rang.
Is your bot in Disco or TEA? No, it's not.
Wow, I don't even know how long I was talking with while being
Ah,
muted.
you're muted. Back to work. Nice weekend. Take care, Skelly.
Bye, Skeletor. Enjoy.
Chill out. Um, yeah, no, I don't want to be in. I don't want to be inundated with support. So eventually, we'll be building 1 or 2 of them out inside the class, and to those that participated, they'll know how to work it, and they won't overburden me with support because they'll know intimately what every input variable will do because they've built it themselves. And also, it'll be their own, so they can't come back to me and complain. Should they choose to use it? Because someone's going to start using it on a day when it loses money, and then I'm going to get blasted. So, hey, it ain't my bot, it's your bot. You built it. I didn't tell you to use it. I didn't give it to you. Okay, let's see if we can potentially add over here. Get a green candle. Yeah, I'm just not in the mood to do 24-hour day hand holding and explaining for people that don't read instructions. And
Dave, do you see anything? Are you looking at anything?
Yeah, I'm watching here.
that sucks.
I don't like that there's not like much movement. They were moving a bit sideways, but I might get a trade. I just don't know if I'm gonna be really know what to take it. I don't know. I don't know if we're ready
To drop.
to drop. Yeah, what scares me is that 1020 candle. That wick up there is pissing me off.
I'm going to take a quick break. Do I have to turn my camera off? Yes, my camera is on. Give me a sec, guys. Just going to go refresh my coffee. Have a great weekend, Skelly. Yep. Skelly, have a good weekend. Skelly, did you have a good weekend? How was your
What?
weekend, Skelly?
Welcome to the jungle.
I'll try it. Not the biggest fan. I would have my stop. I'd want it to flush through the low. I wouldn't want it to play around. I don't think we're fully bearish yet.
You moved the break even?
Yeah, I'm not fully convinced yet for shorts. I want more structure.
Yeah, no, me too.
I
I'm a
want
little
more
bit
movement. I'm a bit
hesitant on
hesitant.
shorts here as well.
It could go, but I don't like that wick up there at 1020. I don't like that we're consolidating here. I'd rather take something I have more conviction in. I would have wanted to see it through the low and like push fast.
Mic check. We're all good. Mike's here. Yeah. Yeah, it sounds stupid sometimes. I know. But but tired. Ouch. Hey, did we have a PM trade on the other side? Ah, we did, but it failed. I think it was there. Yeah, even the second one failed. But the PM trade didn't fail. The PM trade made money. Um, hmm. Did my volume go down? I'm not hearing Alex and
No,
David.
I hear you. I hear you.
Okay, you
I
guys
was
are
just looking at something on my chart.
you guys just fell asleep?
Yeah, I was taking a look at my chart, seeing if I get any opportunities here, but doesn't look like it. It's been a while. I haven't had a trade too.
Mm.
It's about time, man. Give me something in Q. Hey, did you ever hear the song of Welcome to the Jungle?
I know the song. Like you're probably talking about something specific in the song. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a part where they say we got Joe deceives. It reminded me of the guy from COD.
No.
Yeah, it's so funny.
What is your bias, guys? Right now at the moment?
My bias at the moment, I don't really have one. I feel like we're gonna come back up and maybe soup one last time before coming back, or we're gonna continue going up for the day. It depends what we do here. Don't have a current bias. We tapped into a big 15 minute. We'll see what we want to do in the next 2 minutes. Maybe we'll continue going up for a bit. It depends what we do. What do we have on the 1 hour? I'm like in between. It's like I can't make up my mind. It's like a little bit bullish and looks to me to be a little bit bearish as well.
I'm still bullish. Let me take a look at the CVD. Oh my God. Yeah, CVD is very strong, making new highs. And I mean like session highs from the Globex Open.
Mm.
And we're nowhere near the Globex Open. Which means, yes, buying volume is coming in, but it's being absorbed. But still, it's coming in. I think I will take this on another account right here. I like it. CVD's coming down a little bit. It was a bigger candle than I like to enter on usually. I'll wait for another red. Now I'm in damage control. Ooh, wow. Wonder if you guys heard that.
No, I'm staring at my chart, hoping it's gonna give me an opportunity in the AM.
Mm, it was my stomach letting everyone know in Europe that I'm hungry. Wow, it's yelling, it's screaming. Not the markets, my stomach. It's like I haven't eaten in a week. Uh, my last chance to keep this as a small loser. Come on, just push down a little lower. There you go. One out. And two out. Okay. Not so bad given that I don't like the trade anymore. So, has everything calmed down? Yes, it has. Anybody trades bull and ox? Anybody having problems with bull and ox? I'll be on tomorrow at 10, Mike. Perfect. I got to run, guys. Good luck. Good luck, Poppy. I'll see you tomorrow.
Popalando. And you said Poppy, is it Popa?
Yeah, I call him Poppy. What are we doing? Personally, the bot is short, but I think there's going to be opportunity to the upside very soon.
Yeah, I think so too. I just don't have anything yet.
Mm. Long to IB high. Yeah, I was watching that too, Martin. That's another reason why I'm bullish. We got I guess, a bunch of confluences indicating that we're going higher. CVD for me is the strongest one. CVD is at all-time highs for the entire session right now at 30 positive 3,800. I think if I'm seeing that right. 2,400 was the high, and now we're in the 3,000s. Oh, what's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
It's hard to have a bias today.
Mm,
Yeah, we're bouncing between two hourly fair value gaps.
it's so quiet. It's like a hospital in here.
Yeah, no. I'm just staring at my chart, waiting to see if I'm ever gonna get an opportunity. What highs are where. I mean, it's hard for me to find a bias today too, so I'm like paying extra attention.
Mm,
Like we're respecting 15-minute bullish, we're in 15-minute bearish. I think on
Where
the
is the
4 hour,
link?
we're in a fifth, still a 4 hour bearish for value gap. So like we have, they're like conflicting.
I need y'all to argue. I don't know. I think we're all too.
Who said that? I need you all to argue. Is it trading
The
ever
trade.
after who wrote that?
Yeah. The
Mm,
trading argue. No, it's creative. I think it was creative wealth. Yeah, it was creative wealth.
mm.
Okay, my laptop is acting weird. Okay, we're back up to a gig. A gig a second. The trading arguers. Nah, we don't argue that much. I'm the same way. Yeah, I think we were talking about that the other day. We have similar styles.
Had so many great opportunities last week. I thought it was going to continue and to be like that for the rest of the month of June. But normally
Hmm.
June is calmer than the other months, you know? June and July, more people go on vacation and stuff.
Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Someone's in deep drawdown. I'm jumping in too. Yes, but he got mad, calling it gambling, not trading. I never get mad. Alex, you know me to ever get mad? Ever?
Hmm.
Hmm. You called it shaking or something. Uh,
I told you guys it's Friday. If you guys are down bad, it's get even or get even worse.
no, vibration. I play the vibrations. NQ, the price action. When you're on a very short time frame, it's like a Geiger counter. Tick 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 tick. So you can put a box around the what I call the vibrations, and scalp the range until you break out of the vibration, and then you lose. 87 likes. What are the odds we're gonna hit 100?
I'm yawning already.
Who never
Hey, your
gets
cat's
mad?
feeling better, huh? His
Quite a
meows are
bit. Yep, quite a bit better.
yeah, his meows are back.
I told you it takes
I
Yeah.
time. It's
hear
like when you get sick, you're bad, and you get a little bit better, then you get worse, then you get better, you know?
Mm,
his meow. I hear meows this morning. He's been meowing.
Oh, I think I know which one you're talking about. It was on Alex's trade. I got out. I took a profit and went back to the end points. I got back in again. Why not? Hey, someone's going for 1 to 1. I take 3/4 of an R. It goes back to entry. I take another 3/4 of an R. It goes back to entry. I take another 3/4 of an R. I can keep milking it like that.
Again, that logic is so flawed because in my trades I want it to go quick. I don't want it to hesitate because then the probabilities of it going to take profit are lower.
Yeah.
So your theory is caca. It's garbanzo.
Caca. I make it my own.
Yeah, you're inventing.
Uh, and it still smells bacon.
That's even worse than get even and get even worse.
And it still smells bacon. Someone's making the bacon.
Dad doesn't even know, but he's peeing himself and he's saying it smells like bacon.
How does that smell like bacon?
Remember that movie with John Cena? He's like, bro, it smells like hot crab. And he didn't even know he pissed himself.
Mm.
It smells like warm crab.
Wow, I like that expression.
Warm crab.
Yeah. Like when you pee and it
Yo,
smells like
that's
warm hot bacon.
nasty.
Never seen it? It's in that movie where he Stalinsky, what's his name? he stops drinking because he has to act like he's someone he's not.
Ah, Ricky Stanicki.
Yeah, Ricky Stanicki. And he comes out of the airport and he's pissing himself. It smells like warm crab.
I agree with you, DA. 100%. Actually, I thought it was AD. Maybe it is AD. Maybe he just inverted the letters. I do agree with you, but it doesn't bother me. It's not 2 weeks. It's usually about 3 to 5 business days, and it doesn't bother me because,
Yeah, if you're trading, you don't need profits in your account the day of. It's not like you're trading every day and collecting profits.
yeah, I mean, seriously, I'm not a heroin addict. I don't need the money in the next hour for my next hit or my next fix. Uh,
Crazy.
Big deal, you know. You know, you go to work, you get paid every 2 weeks. You don't get paid every hour. You don't get paid every day. Your pay comes when it comes. It's not me. Yeah, I was thinking it's you inverted because you also have numbers. You're AD028. That's DA33. I need more beer every day. My last approval was last Thursday. Still waiting. Last Thursday, still waiting. Yeah, I've had some that take that long. Let's say if you were last Thursday, I think my longest one would be around next Wednesday, so almost 2 weeks. But you know what's for me? What's important? It always came through. Joe Walsh said on an interview in his marriage to Stevie Nicks, they enabled each other. They would wake up and look for their next line of coke. Not good. Mm,
Good morning, AD. Or good afternoon for you, not sure.
yeah,
AD,
good
it's late,
evening. I
huh?
think.
Good evening,
I
yeah.
really, I think it's good evening. Oh yeah, it is definitely good evening because soon he's going to tell us he's going to bed.
Good morning, good evening, and good night.
Yeah, well, not that it's right or not, but I'm in Canada, TEA, so that could be an issue. Definitely, the fact that I'm in Canada, it could take a little bit longer.
Thank you, AD.
Anyways, I don't stress over it because I don't do bullshit trading. I don't hedge. I don't play any games, and I have been denied, but I've been denied because I broke the rules, and that's fair. That's a fair denial. And then I traded the 5 days or 8 days or whatever it was, not breaking the rules, and I got
Wow, it's
paid.
11:58 p.m. for him.
Yeah, well,
He's 13. Wait, how's that possible? He's 13 hours ahead?
mm, yeah, I find that weird. I thought Australia was the one place that was the most behind. What's what's. But look, you know, you got to go with the company that makes you comfortable. What's good for me doesn't mean is good for you. Doesn't bother me, but it doesn't mean it shouldn't bother anybody. And if it bothers you, then go somewhere where it's quicker.
Mike's like the girlfriend. Well, if you don't love me and you don't want to do this for me, then you know what? Just leave me. Just break up with me already, because I ain't breaking up with you.
Hey, Bullocks, they have an odd payout process. They really don't communicate much with you. You know, you put in your request and you get an email like you've requested a payout. That's it, one line. Not even your name, not a dear sir, nothing. You requested a payout. Not we're processing it, not it's approved, nothing. You requested a payout. Yeah, I know that. But even that, I didn't I don't send a thing to support and say, "Hey, what's going on?" Is it it'll come.
Ask
It comes when
support
it
to
comes.
send me a trade.
Hmm.
That's what I need. Come on, support. Support me.
Like I said, I'm just a regular trader. I don't make any waves, and I always get paid unless I break a rule. But I'm not getting denied
I keep telling you guys,
unfairly.
Mike is a smooth operator.
And I think it's like that for everyone. I think most people are being denied, don't admit it, but
They're doing something wrong.
they're doing something they shouldn't be doing. Only one man's opinion. What's Canada like? Very cold. Y'all are just weird, but then it's the political drama, and you know we are just bullying the world. I'm just glad I'm retired from the military. I think they said it that way, so you get max 2 payouts per month. Yeah, that could be it. Definitely. I broke up with you first. They were to tell you they broke up with you. Yeah, I heard about that. Already approved. Yeah, that's it. You get approved. Then it takes a long time. It still takes sometimes 5 days to hit your account. You know, if you're dealing in millions and millions of dollars, keeping the float in your bank account an extra day or two amounts to a lot of money in interest at the end of, hey, what chip? Amounts to a lot of money in interest payments at the end of the year.
Hmm.
So, who knows what's going on behind the scenes? Even at 3%, what's the daily interest? Hold on. What's the daily interest on $2 million?
See you next week, AD. Enjoy your weekend.
I won't say it.
What are you reading?
Have a good weekend, AD.
What are you saying,
Next
Michael?
week do we have any extra balls? Yeah, we will. Next week you're gonna have extra letters. We got a really good game hopefully coming up next week if we can get it all working. It's gonna be a puzzle game. You have to guess the letters, and the person who guesses the last letter is the winner. Is the wiener?
So technically, you guys are playing Hangman.
Yeah. So they type in the chat, and StreamerBot's gonna pick up the letters, and it picks up a letter, it processes it.
That's how you tell Mike's getting old. He's picking games like Bingo and Hangman.
They gotta be, they can't be too complex. They gotta interact with the chat. AD, if you laugh at his jokes, you're only encouraging him to do more. Yeah, I got denied 3 times, and each time it was the MAE rule, but they don't have it anymore. So, sorry, let me rephrase that. They don't have it anymore in the new accounts. The legacy accounts still have it. UPS. Subscribe. Head on over to DNA Trading. That's those two.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. Market looks like dog poo. The market looks like dog poo.
Oh well.
Oink oink.
Mm.
Yeah, we had a half an hour of consolidation, one little up move, and we've been consolidating for the past hour again. Horrible, horrible AM. There's always next week.
You should trade SI silver.
No.
I trade gold. I just took a break from it. And I like to trade the Russell. I like to trade the Dow. I find them smoother, easier to trade. I haven't dabbled in silver.
I don't think I've ever even taken a look at silver.
Silver, platinum. I think Tori trades platinum. Platinum or palladium?
Oh, I thought platinum. I thought you were joking.
No, she actually trades lugheads. Who's a lughead? No, I'm not joking. I think that's her favorite instrument. Platinum. I think. Don't quote me. I get a lot of things wrong. So I don't even know if I finished my sentence. Is anybody having problems with bull and ox? Because I seem to be having problems with bull and ox. Let's see if they got fixed. I rebooted my computer.
But is it really a problem with Bullinox or it's a problem with NinjaTrader or?
Oh, yeah, it's true, eh? You never know. Could be their connection, because with them it's rhythmic. With Apex, it's not a rhythmic connection. Apex, it's a trade evade connection. Like I can't even bring in a 1 minute chart. It's not bringing in any data at all.
Yeah.
And on the same computer, Top Step X is working perfectly. So it's not the computer, it's not the connection. I just checked the connection. I'm bringing in 1 gig a second. Is it the update? Did I update? Help. About 8.1.7.2. Did I accidentally update? No, I didn't even update. You're chirping. I had gaps in my price bars earlier. Yeah, I'm closing it down. Obviously, something's not working. No GPT, no Bullinox. Every day is a good day for a pizza. It cleared up. DA's acne cleared up. He wants us to let it. He wants to let us
What?
know. It's so funny. Yes, yes, I'm coming.
Just how
Coming,
trading was
Sparky.
back in the
Coming,
day.
Sparky.
Just sit here and you don't move. It's not bad. The candles have volume. It's just not unidirectional. We're just bouncing back and forth, forming a tighter range.
Martin, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do a spontaneous giveaway in the next little while. I don't even know what time it is, but if I do, I'll be sure to include you in. Same for you, AD and Skelly. I know you guys are gone, but if you happen to be just listening, you know, on your phone while you're driving or something. I know wood chips sometimes.
Yeah, just enough to stop you out.
Wow, we're all the way down to 2100, which seems like a good thing, but we were almost all the way up to 2900. What's the ATR? Oh my God, it's 40. Wow. And we still haven't taken out
Yeah, it doesn't make
the
sense that it's like 40. Like it is 40, but we're like barely moving. We've been going sideways since 10 o'clock.
uh,
But that's how I'm telling you. We're in different bullish and bearish PD arrays. We're like bouncing back and forth. We're in like 15-minute bearish, 15-minute bullish, 4-hour bearish. I think we're in a 1-hour bullish. No, another 1-hour bearish. Like it's confusing. On the higher time frames, it points a little bit more bearish, but we've been coming up. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, when you get everything all wishy-washy like that, stay out. When you look at one chart and it's bullish, another is bearish, bullish, bearish, fuck off.
Oh
Either
boy,
that
big bull.
or I just trade
The
the
SI.
fastest chart. No, the fastest, yes, the fastest chart. I don't even look at the higher time frames. I don't even look at the, God, 1800. That's discouraging. Wow. That was another belly rumble. A belly rumble. That was 5.0 on the Richter scale. Great. No one's gonna let me eat anything good. Hey, you want to take me out for lunch?
Who are you talking to?
You,
I'm going gym, me.
you rich boy. You take me out for lunch. Go to the gym.
Yeah, no choice.
Mm.
I'm thinking of maybe going long here after this bullish SMT. I'm not sure though.
It's gonna be a shitty weekend.
I think I'm gonna avoid it just because we have that equal low on ES.
I'm gonna be in a bad mood for the rest of this week. Wow, that was where is the link to your class for the morning in the Discord? Kurt, you asked before and I forgot to answer you. Sorry. Where you just go into the last channel and just I don't know what to tell you. Just show up there. Want to learn how to create your. That's what shows on my screen. That's the name of the channel. Just go in there and say I'm in whatever. And in that channel, there looks like a link. A little. I'm looking at it right now. It says interested, and you click on it, but you don't have to. Just show up at 10 o'clock. There is an event. I think that's what it's called. Right at the top. There's two events. Why are there two events? One's the old one. So yeah, you just show up. Just show up at 10 a.m. and you'll see it. Boom. It's not like a go-to meeting or anything that you have to sign up for. That's your 30th beer for the week, right? Buggers. Wow, it's a shame. I would have liked to have traded Bull and Ox today. Hmm. Wow, what am I going to do if I can't fix Ninja Trader?
What are you gonna do when they come for you, bad boy?
Mm. I can't even do what's that rollback feature in Windows that I use often, and you can install an older. If you go back far enough, it's not rollback; it's system restore. So if you do a system restore and you go back, you can get an older version of the software that you had on your computer. But This is a new computer. I don't have access to the older versions. I don't even know. Do you guys know if I can get an older version of NinjaTrader from their site? Do they list it? You know,
I doubt it.
3.170.
Normally they upgraded for a reason because the other one has problems, so
Mm,
I doubt it. I doubt it, I doubt it, I doubt it.
3.170. This is very annoying when you can't do both sides. I just tried it again. Super simple. No, won't do it.
TA, good job. Enjoy your profit for
It's
Friday.
cold.
If you got profit on today, take it. Take it and go.
Really? That's a surprising trade. I was thinking short actually, but the bot says long. The bot says long. Boom.
Oh, I don't know. I like longs here.
Yeah. We're screaming again on the
CVD.
making new highs again. New all-time highs. And look where we are on the chart, even compared to the run off the open.
It's not a fan of that wick. If not, I would have been in right here. I don't like wicks like that where I enter. Hopefully we get a small retrace here and then I can get an entry. Oh. La, 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 la.
Yeah, longs look better here. I can agree.
Yeah. What do we have? Well, he took the words right out of my mouth.
Look
I
at the
know you
box
don't.
ES is in.
I don't. You. Yes. I know you don't know. On the 1 minute, obviously, right?
Yeah, look on the 1 minute. Since like
Mm,
10 o'clock. Doesn't want to go anywhere.
yeah. I know you don't, but I have the MSI file. I don't even know what that means.
Isn't MSI like a gaming company for computers and monitors?
I don't know.
MSI Gaming.
I don't know if that's a good thing, a bad thing. Ninja Trader file. No, MSI file is a Microsoft installation file. Yeah. I feel like I should know what you're trying to say, but you download it, you would know it crashes too much. I reinstall. Yeah, a lot of people seem to be having this crashing issue with NinjaTrader, these issues with NinjaTrader, and I never had, but now I am having. He's new. Yeah, I think that's enough for me. That's enough for me.
Longs do look like the play though.
What are you saying, Kurt? Is that the file that you download when you're on NinjaTrader website? You're downloading NinjaTrader an MSI file, or is that just something you created, like not a screen capture? What do you call it? When you mirror your computer, I'm using the wrong words. Well, I'll tell you what. Tell me what I need to do with it, because the computer is new, and I mean, if all my data is backed up on an external drive. I really just got a few apps installed, so I don't, if it screws my computer up, all I got to do is reinstall Windows and start over. So I'll try it out. Do you know what version it is? Okay. Back up everything first, always. Yeah, I will. I mean, I don't have really much to back up. Everything is on the other computer. Oh, no, it's not. I reinstalled Windows. It's clean now, the other computer, the older one. So now, yeah. Well, anyways, like I said, I put everything on an external drive, and all I did was install a couple of apps on this computer so far. It's still pretty fresh out of the oven. So I might be willing to give it a shot and see what happens. In worst case scenario, I just reformat my SSD drive and start over, put back on OBS and NinjaTrader, and I don't know what else I got, and that's it. I'm a white 40-year-old man with 6 kids living in Kansas City. Mm-hmm.
This
Uh,
market's been testing my patience.
yeah, it was just, are we in Kansas? Yeah. I was just gonna say, what are your plans? I mean, I'm thinking, let's call it early.
I'm gonna sit till 11:45. Just gonna watch, see what he wants to do, and I'll get off at 11:45. And are you coming back on PM or no?
Are you?
Depends if I find something before 11:45.
Hmm.
Looks like I am though.
I
Yeah,
gotta
well,
poop. I gotta poop.
we'll get more regular next week. Um, anyways, I'll see. It depends on what your schedule is.
Yeah.
I know there was also maybe plans to go to Costco today.
Okay, let me know.
Oh my god, Dad, if you go to Costco, you gotta let me know, man, so I can get some stuff.
Yeah.
I've been drying naked for the past 2 months on snacks.
Hmm.
Your admins are still in my room.
Yeah, creative wealth. No, I'll I'll GPT it. I'm not even promising you I'll use it. Uh, I'll explore, but I got so many other things I got to take care of also. I never have time to do anything anymore. This is getting ridiculous. I used to have all these memes that I create for people like Oppo, these quick ones. I used to create those for everybody. I used to love doing that. Yeah, I like the creativity side of this, of streaming. I just don't have time to do anything anymore. Telling them to clean their room. Yeah, Rumo, you're long. Mike, you've been starving those poor boys. Are you kidding?
You've been starving those poor boys. Guys, try to GoFundMe for snacks.
Hmm. Funny thing is, I didn't even hear what he said. I'm so focused on other stuff.
I said, let me know when you go Costco so I could tell you what to get for me.
Ah, yeah. Well, okay. You said you
I
don't want
told Dad I
anything
love cashews. Alex, he brought home roasted, like,
delicious.
smoked
Almonds.
almonds.
Yeah, no, I have them
Smoked
here too, but they're
almonds.
pretty good.
It's crazy. Every time you tell Dad you like something, he'll come back with something new. Like, maybe you're gonna like this one.
That's it, variety.
No. If I like something, don't change it. It's like Mom. Oh, your pasta was amazing. Next time she'll put pickles and carrots. Like, what? Leave it the way it was. It was good.
Pickles and carrots.
Like changing a strategy on your charts that's winning. You don't change a winning strategy.
Yeah. Yeah, I know they look pretty healthy. They are pretty healthy. They're also, you know what else? They're healthy complainers.
Well, the cat keeps coming in
Healthy
here.
complainers.
Yeah, I
Those
keep
are
hearing him using the door.
Yeah, he keeps opening the door. He comes in for like 5 minutes. He leaves. I close the door. He comes back. 10 minutes later, opens the
he's,
door.
he's such a cutie.
He's meowing. I hear him.
Mm,
They're much better than meows.
yep. Yep. I'm thinking we won't have to bring him to the vet next week. Wow, I don't know what kind of guys. I know some of you said you're going to be joining in. I don't know what kind of class I'm going to be able to put together with the way that with what I'm able to do in Ninja Trader. I might have to. You don't get shit if you don't complain.
Yep. You don't ask, you don't get shit.
I
You
don't
don't
know. I
ask, it's an
complain.
automatic no.
I complain. I ask for help. I don't get it. Anyways,
That's another huge candle.
Ho ho.
hoo-hoo.
Bomboclot. Hey, you're meowing.
I heard it.
Wow, Asia had a huge range, huh?
Yeah, it did. Insane.
ES is not far from Asia buy side.
Mm. No. Bumbleclat.
Why you say this, Michael? Why you say this?
I don't know.
Who's doing? What was I gonna say?
Welcome to the jungle. 6 you.
6 me.
Mm,
6-7.
Yeah,
6
Mike. Yeah,
7.
cool. I hate that 6-7 stuff so much.
Yeah, me too.
I don't even know what it's for. It's so weird. It sounds so cringe.
I don't know how that started.
I'll check your messages, please.
I already did. I said you.
Yeah. Oh, I watched the last episode of Classroom of the Elite.
Oh, I didn't watch it, but I got the fight spoiled on TikTok. It looked nice.
Wow.
Wait, you said you watched it, right?
I watched it, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know. This season felt like
Shit.
nothing crazy happened. It was a bit
No.
rushed. Like
Thank
sometimes from one
you.
episode to another.
And also Kurt, who said the two things. Compliment above. Yes, the pretty healthy for starving traders. Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, that's one of those things I don't want to talk about.
What don't you want to talk about?
How healthy you guys are.
The fuck does that mean?
No, Kurt Nichols. I hope you guys saw my compliment above.
Huh? What the fuck does that mean?
I don't know.
You don't want to talk about how healthy you are. You made it sound like we're fucking sick.
No, he said, I hope you guys saw my compliment above.
Yeah, I just asked you what don't you want to talk about, and you said how healthy you guys are.
The way you converse in general.
I'm so confused. Apples and oranges,
Hmm.
blueberries and grapes. This guy's just saying anything now. Knees. 11:35. We're
Fight.
getting to the end with no trade. Gets hot in my office. It's crazy how much heat just a little light and the
Yeah.
computer and monitors like shoot out.
Please read my latest Apple. You guys sound like buddies instead of father and sons. Yeah, we are. That's how I try to always build up my relationship with the boys. They don't call me dad. Most of the time they call me Mike. A lot of people don't like that. They said, I would never want my kids to call me by my first name. But I wanted that even before I had kids. I always knew I wanted my kids to call me by my first name. Oh.
Wow, look at the moves and no trade. Absolutely no trade.
Yeah.
Consolidation shot up slowly. Consolidation a little bit down and shot up again.
Yeah, when I had a trade at 11.17, if the candle didn't have a large wick.
Was that an IV bounce, by the way?
Yeah,
No, it
it was a
wasn't.
pretty big wick. It's in
Yeah,
horrible.
I went into on candles that have wicks like that. I told you that wick, bro, at 10.20 was just too bait to not go get. I just didn't get an entry, sadly. How to survive bad price action.
Hmm.
How to survive with a foot in your ass. Step 1.
Do not sit on the foot.
Hey, no skills
When's the next
and
Japan game?
I told you it's unavailable for us. It's Monday at 1 p.m. versus Brazil in the round of 32.
no
Bro, the
skills,
COD League is live
no
now.
melody, no Lewis.
Yeah, I watched it all.
It's finished.
No.
Did Optic play?
Yeah.
They did?
Yeah, they played first.
Against who?
Boston Breach.
Okay, I'll watch it later. Don't spoil.
No. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
Hmm.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
Okay, Sally.
Okay, Sally.
I'm gonna call it here. And as always, guys, thanks for hanging out. See you in the next overnight broadcast. If you can't make it for the overnight broadcast, see you guys in the New York session. And as always, if you're going to be picking up any accounts with Apex, Trade of 8 Apex, Tradeify, Bullinox, you want to help support the channel, please use code FLOOR. It's
Code
always.
floor, 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 floor.
I think they remember. It's always greatly appreciated. I can't thank you guys personally because I don't know. They don't tell me who uses the codes, but I thank you in advance if you're using the codes. And we'll see you soon in the evening broadcasts or in the New York session. Take care, guys.
Only and
Bye.
only if you use code floor, floor, floor.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.